here, but before we do that, we have to get to your weather. 24 hours from snow in the forecast. That's why our weather team has declared a KARE 11 weather impact alert. Meteorologist John Ziegler in the backyard timing it all out for us. John, how's it looking right now?
Well, right now it's quiet. I mean, today's going to be quiet, but tomorrow we're right on the edge of this thing. As a snow lover myself, I am not that excited about snow. For me, if you're going to have bad roads, just snow. Tomorrow's one of those mornings where, especially where it is snowing, it's going to slow you down. I think there's a lot of questions, though. A lot of the questions are, is it going to stick to the roads? Unlikely. Let's say it doesn't stick to the roads, still going to cause issues because you won't be able to see in front of your face. So it could be snowing pretty hard. So the impacts here, mainly South Metro. That's where we're at right now with it. Again, if this thing shifts at all, the North Metro's in it. If it shifts the other way, well, then we could avoid this. But it doesn't mean that some places won't. Again, there's a large viewing area here. Folks in the southern half of this viewing area, there are going to be impacts from this tomorrow morning. Keep tabs on this forecast just because it is right on the edge. We want to know what's going on. Rain moves in from the south tonight. We know that. That is new. We know it's going to be raining. Changes to a mix overnight. Models, it's tricky because it is pretty warm at the start of the system. So models disagree on the timing. Let's just call it midnight to 2 in the morning. Better chance still stays south of the metro. We believe that this morning. It doesn't mean it can't get to the North Metro, but the odds, which is at the end of the day, all you're doing is playing odds, right? The odds are higher down there. So temperatures today, 44 degrees. Now temperatures will have to cool quite a bit more than 40 if we're going to start getting some snow to mix in here. Not that it can't snow at 40, it's just less likely. Down to the southwest where it's raining, it's going to be 48. So you have to think about it, when it's raining at 48, it's going to take its sweet time to get down low enough to change to snow. So it'll take a few hours. So as we go to the microcast, here comes that rain. Marshall, Jackson, Wilmer, Mankato. It's raining. That rain comes in at around 1:50 a.m. So let's call it 2 a.m. Now notice where it's at. Excuse me. Sorry, areas to the north, Brainerd, it's not going to rain. It's not going to snow. Not going to happen. Okay. No matter what, this could transition way to the north. You're still not going to get it. This is not going to jump 300 miles north. This is going to probably hover in this area where it lands. So maybe it gets a St. Cloud, or maybe it goes down to Mankato, but the Twin Cities is on the edge. So we know that, 2 o'clock. Now you can see the mix comes right in around 7 a.m. That's why we went with the impact alert. I didn't want to play with fire because let's say this moves 20 miles north and it transitions to snow at 4 a.m. We're in trouble tomorrow morning. So you got to be prepared for slowdowns during that morning commute. Even if it doesn't happen, be prepared for it. Get up early. I'm going to get up early, and I don't have to deal with anybody on the roads. So just understand how I'm playing this. I'm going to get up early. I'm going to check the roads, and then maybe I'll go back to bed, or maybe I'll drive into work. It depends. But that's how I play it. That's how you should do it as well. And again, if there's any transitioning from this thing, we will let you know. Right now, South Metro has a much higher chance to maybe get an inch.